Today, we will travel in diesel auto rickshaw, also known as tuk-tuk. I am now traveling from rural Andhra Pradesh Mantralayam to rural Karnataka Raichur in the southern India in a diesel auto rickshaw. A distance of 20 kilometers cost 200 rupees. I am sitting next to the driver holding a GoPro Hero 10 camera. The maximum speed I went with this was around 40 km per hour with 8 other passengers behind me in the same tuk-tuk. Yes, it can carry over a ton of load capacity, surprising for its small engine. That was a very fast overtake by a dump truck. We are over the Tungabhadra River. It is very nice crossing the river over a bridge in an amazing auto rickshaw. The bridge is 600-meter long and 12-meter wide, across Tungabhadra River in Karnataka state of southern India. Hope you are liking the view of rural landscape of India from a tuk-tuk. These are paddy fields that are river fed. This was in November 2023. We are in a rural side road, diverted from the main road. I see some bridge in the side. There is a river underneath. I think the driver got excited seeing the newly laid road. His driving speed is renewed. This also means risk of accident, especially in the curve. That was a dangerous overtake by the scooter dude. I see a overloaded tractor. A typical sight in rural India. was close. That is an cattle-powered truck. Still in usage in rural India. There are two beasts pulling a wooden cart. There are no brakes, only avatar-type communication to the cattle. That is a very nice canal. Villagers use it for irrigation. We are near Panchamukhi Hanuman temple. We reached our destination Panchamukhi Hanuman temple. A 20 kilometers tuk-tuk ride from Manthralayam. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing to Explorative Eye for more videos.